Why so many people talk about Python? Why it is used in almost every tech field? And why learning it can be our game changer for our career? Today, I will explain why Python is so important and what's the special about the Python and why you should learn Python. Sorry, we should learn Python. Python is the one of the easiest programming language. Just look at this simple code. This is C language code and this is Python code. Python code is very simple syntax and it is very readable. It is almost like a English language. And Python requires very few lines when compared to other programming language. Even if you are non-coders like me as a biology student, you can start writing Python within hours. And Python used in many fields like software development, website apps, and backend systems, and like data scientists and analytics, like used in many companies like Netflix, Google, and also used in many fields like artificial intelligence, and also it is used in cyber security and ethical hacking. So I recently watched one podcast. In that, one developer said this: it doesn't matter what field you are interested in, but Python has always place for you. So just think about that. Still now, Python developers are the highest paid programmers in the world. You can see Python related courses, data scientist, the average package is 15 to 30 LPA. And next, machine learning engineer is like 12 to 25 LPA, average LPA. And full stack development, 8 to 20 LPA. And DevOps engineer, 10 to 20 LPA. And also, one of the best thing about the Python is it's a huge community. For example, if you stuck anywhere, there are thousands of developers out there to solve your problems. And tons of free courses like YouTube tutorials and like documentations, and Python libraries are open source. That means we can use free. So you will never become alone while learning Python. And Python is a cross platform. It is works in MacBook and it is works in Windows and it works in your mobile phones. And it is also used in many fields like DevOps also. And if you learn Python, you will run programs at anywhere. So finally, I hope you know why the Python is very important. It is very easy, used everywhere and high paying and has a strong community and it works on every platform. If you haven't started learning Python, what are you waiting for? Let me know in the comment section. And finally, if you found this video is helpful, then don't forget to like and share this video and also subscribe to our channel for more content.